Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Start menu automatically closing problem in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This method is simple, fast, and works for most users. So if your Start menu opens and then closes immediately when you click it, don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, right-click on the Start button. From the Power menu, click Terminal Admin. Now click Yes to confirm. Next, copy and paste the first command into the terminal. Then press Enter. After that, paste the second command and press Enter again. Both commands are available under the description. Once both commands finish running, close the terminal window and restart your computer. That's it, guys. Your Start menu auto-closing issue in Windows 11 or Windows 10 should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.